Steve Ciron, Citrix Synergy, and I'm pleased to have Jim Blakely, GM of the Intel Visual Cloud Compute organization. Jim, thank you, and Intel for being such a prominent sponsor here at Synergy. So I don't know if you want to talk a little bit about kind of the multi-year partnership that we've had with Intel on the graphics front and with the Xeon with Iris Pro technology.
Sure, yeah, we've had a great experience with Citrix over the last several years, integrating Intel's GPU technology, our Iris Pro technology, into the Citrix solution stack, particularly Zen App and now Zen Desktop. Right. And it's been a great ongoing partnership. We announced the first version of that 2 years ago at Synergy, and now we've got some new announcements this year as well.
Yeah, and we heard in the day one and day two keynotes that Intel was featured as far as some of the new features with what's called the Intel pass-through graphics and also adding HDX 3D Pro. So maybe you can walk us through a little bit about the announcements that were kind of part of Synergy, and then also what's coming with the new Xeon E3 V5 processor.
Sure, yeah. So this week, Citrix is announcing the latest version of Zen Server, and that includes Intel graphics virtualization technology known as GVT-G, which allows you to share the GPU across multiple VMs in the platform. That really enables us to support Zen desktop-based applications, virtual desktop applications with Citrix. Really happy about that. There's also support added for Citrix HDX 3D Pro, which was something that many of the customers for the platform were looking for. So that's the announcement that happened at Synergy.
Okay.
We've also just recently announced our latest generation of our Xeon E3 platform for graphics, which is the E3 1585 V5. It's based on the Skylake technology, and it's our latest and greatest processor for virtual desktop, virtual remote workstation kinds of applications.
Right, and so talking about that a little bit, the important thing there is what Intel is really doing, working with Citrix, is enabling what we'd call graphics for the masses, or graphics for everybody, right, as far as new levels of performance, density, cost reduction as well for users. So maybe you can talk a little bit more about sort of the industry first kind of benefits of the Intel GVT, the pass-through graphics, and what do you sort of see from a customer standpoint and interest with the vendors like HP on the Moonshot and even Cisco on the M series?
Yeah, so many of the remote desktop app and remote workstation kinds of applications really do want to be able to share the graphics across multiple users in a virtual machine-like model as opposed to the Zen app model where you have a single application. And so that's what GVT-G enables in the platform, is that ability to share it across multiple users simultaneously.
Right, which is an industry first,
it is
right? That we're enabling here at Synergy this week and then going forward.
Yeah, and of course, and as you mentioned, the value proposition for us is, our GPUs are fully integrated into the CPU, which provides first of all, very high performance, good experience for customers, and also puts it in a very, very dense form factor like the HP Moonshot or the Cisco M series platforms. We can get very, very high dense solutions into the enterprise environments.
Right, and also being shown here, HP's next generation of their Moonshot technology on the Intel E3 V5 processor being shown as well. Maybe just the last thing, Jim, again, thank you for coming to Synergy and all the close work that we're doing. It's actually been pretty exciting this week to kind of see everything come together. I mean, Intel was up on stage 2 years ago announcing the Xeon integration with Iris Pro graphics and Citrix. So really amazing to see the advancement here, the customers that are coming on board, and thank you very much for coming.